Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I made a couple videos on this today, and then I started thinking of another way we could do it. If we take our text, and that's just normal text, and we make the text white, and then we go up and contour to the outside. I'm going to contour 0.1 this time with a black. In that short of time, it did it. That 0.1 might be too much. Let's back up here and go 0.09. So in that short of time, we did the exact same thing, and we'll grab it all and put it on top of our text or on top of our graphic. I made our graphic lighter just so it would kind of show up. So that's another way to do it instead of, changing and color filling and outlining. You could contour that color as long as you start off with your base color if it was white. So let's do that again. I just changed it from black to white, and then I'm contoured. I'm using round at 0.09. I'm going to make my outline black and my fill black, and voila, it did it that quick. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.